Hi, today we're going to talk to you about how to level your under-the-counter refrigerator. And here are some reasons why you want to do this. First of all, if it's unlevel, you're going to have a bad seal on your door. And it might also be hard to open or close. So these are some important factors to make sure that you level it before you scoot it underneath your counter. And here is how you do it.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install wine cellar, beverage center, or refrigerator. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Underneath the refrigerator are leveling feet. You simply screw them up or screw them down, and in this case we're going to screw it down and then we're going to tip it back. See if it wobbles. It still is. We're going to bring it back down. And another good thing to do is to put a level on top of your under-the-counter refrigerator, and that should solve the problem.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.